Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare a simple face mask that is going to help get rid of fine lines and blemishes from your face using just very simple and natural ingredients, that is turmeric powder, ground flour and whole milk. If this is your first time by this channel, click on the subscribe button below, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any videos from me. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give us a huge thumbs up. First ingredient we'll be needing for this remedy is milk. Milk is very rich in calcium and potassium. Milk is a very high source of protein. It also contains vitamin. Milk is going to help give your skin that nourishment, that tender and soft look. Milk is going to help cleanse your face from any kind of fine lines and blemishes, and is going to nourish and revitalize your face. The next ingredient we'll be needing for this remedy is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is rich in antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Turmeric powder is going to help exfoliate your face and is going to help treat your face of any kind of irritation. Turmeric powder is going to help reduce the puffiness around your eye and is going to help get rid of all the fine lines and blemishes. It's going to help exfoliate your face and keep it tender and healthy. The next ingredient you'll need is ground flour. Ground flour contains moisturizing properties. Ground flour is going to help exfoliate your skin, thereby getting rid of all the dead skin cells, giving room for new and healthy tissues to grow. Ground flour is going to help treat dryness on your face. If you have a dry skin, ground flour is going to help treat it and is going to repair any damage already done to your face from ultraviolet rays from the sun, and is going to help moisturize and rejuvenate your face. To my bowl I'll add just about a tablespoon of turmeric powder, one tablespoon of turmeric powder. To that I'll add about half a tablespoon of the ground flour, I'll add just 2 tablespoons of the whole milk. So the next thing we'll be doing now, guys, is to mix all our ingredients together to have a really nice and smooth paste. Add 1 more tablespoon of milk and continue mixing it together. Okay, and we have the right consistency. So guys, our fine line and blemishes remedy face mask is ready. This is the consistency you should have, not too thick and not too watery. So to apply this You just go ahead, dip your hand into your remedy and massage this all over your face. Massage your face in a circular motion, just the way I'm doing it right now. So when it's completely dried, you can go ahead and wash it off with water. After washing it off with water, you allow your face to dry naturally. That is, you won't have to use a face towel or anything, just air dry your face the natural way. Dry, just a little bit dry, not too watery. Just going with your favorite moisturizer, maybe coconut oil or vitamin E oil, either of the two, or any other moisturizer you have. You can just apply it on your face. So you repeat this remedy twice in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks. On your second week, you should be getting your result. You should notice a smooth and younger, beautiful face, free from fine lines and blemishes. Then your leftover, you can store it in your refrigerator for about 5 days at most. And when you want to reuse it, just add a little bit of milk, because the more it stays, the thicker it gets, because of the gram flour in it gets thick by the day. So when you want to reuse it, you just add in a little bit of milk to have just this consistency, not too thick, not too watery. So guys, this is it. This is all I have to share with you today, and I hope it was helpful. I'm sure it was helpful. So do try this and let me know your thoughts, your results in the comment section below, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Give us a huge thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos, because I upload helpful and useful videos on this channel daily. And till my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.